have broken him. They've left him cold where he's faded in. But it's too late now to turn around and find another way. And the laughs in the late night knocking have faded away when he gets in. The girl from 15 years ago has packed and gone away. What happened to all that energy? You took one too many liberties. I'm tired of being afraid. So after the fight, she took flight, hiding swollen eyes and a wounded pride. The best years of her life denied, and sold for liquid shares. And the laughs in the midnight locking have faded away when he gets in. The girl from and the victims of their work are advertised on posters just to be trying a pretty girl. You just take this potion. There's another week till his check comes through. He's got a $5 left now to spend on food. The doors of the bar